Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Citra Maybila and I'm from class 25A majoring in English Language Education at Universitas Negeri Jakarta. So in this video, I want to share my personal journey of learning English. So, I've been learning English for a long time, starting back in elementary school and continuing through junior high school. However, I only truly started to focus on it during senior high school, which is why I feel a bit behind and not quite pro yet. And I've never taken any formal English courses or private lessons. Instead, I've learned mostly through school, practicing with my friends in real life or through chat, and also by watching TikTok or YouTube videos. And of course, since I'm now an English education major, my journey of learning is still very much ongoing. Okay, right now I would like to talk about my real English ability, covering my speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. First, let's talk about my speaking skills. So, based on the test, I'm at a B1 level, which means I can communicate quite well in everyday situations. For example, I can handle daily social tasks like ordering food, asking for directions, or chatting about my hobbies and student life. I can also deliver prepared presentation for my classes, explaining my points step by step so the audience can follow my message. Even if I occasionally make small mistakes or need a moment to find the right word, I can always make sure my mind ideas are understood. However, I must be honest that I still face some challenges with my confidence. I often feel insecure because many of my classmates are already very fluent and have great accents, which sometimes makes me overthink my grammar and hesitate when speaking. Despite Despite this, I keep practicing because I know that being able to communicate my thoughts clearly is the most important part of my journey in the English education program. While I'm still building my confidence in speaking, I feel much more comfortable with my listening skills. So, based on the test, I'm at a B2 level. Yeah, this is actually my strongest area, and it helps me a lot in my academic life. At this level, I can understand extended speech and even follow complex arguments as long as the topic is reasonably familiar. For example, when listening to lecturers in class, I can catch the main ideas and the supporting details even if they speak at the normal speed. I can follow discussions and disagreements between people because I can understand their different points of view. Now, moving on to my reading skills, where I'm at a B1 level. I can understand the main points in articles and factual text quite well, especially when the topics are related to my interest. I'm also able to recognize the tone of a text, so I can tell if a writer is being formal or just sharing a personal story. In addition to articles, I can follow the plot and description in books. such as simple novels. I can understand the characters, feelings, and the events in the story. However, I'm still learning, so when I encounter long chapters or complex vocabulary, I still need to use a translator sometimes to make sure I don't miss any details. But overall I can identify the significant points I need for my studies. Okay, last but not least, regarding my writing skills, I'm currently at a B1 level. This means I can write straightforward and connected text about topics I'm interested in. For example, I can write essays that develop an argument systematically, highlighting important points with relevant details. I'm also comfortable with daily communication like writing messages or emails to friends and lecturers, where I can share my views and give reason for my opinions quite clearly. However, I have to admit that my writing isn't perfect yet. While I can get many messages across, I sometimes struggle with using more advanced vocabulary and complex grammar structures. My sentences can feel a bit repetitive at times, and I still need to double check my work for small mistakes. So, okay, to wrap everything up, based on my test and my daily experience, I evaluate my overall English proficiency at the B1 intermediate level. The reason is I can handle most uncomplicated tasks and social situations, such as talking about my life at UNJ, sharing my interests, or writing my thoughts in an essay. I can understand the main ideas of what I hear and read, especially when the language is clear. This foundation allows me to follow my classes and communication my basic needs without too much trouble. However, I'm not at the advanced level yet because my fluency and accuracy are still inconsistent. I still have moments where I hesitate, struggle with complex grammar, or need to use a translator for more difficult academic text. I also feel a bit insecure when speaking with those who are more fluent than me. But overall, I'm proud of my B1 level and I'm committed to practicing more every day to become a better English teacher in the future. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching and bye bye.